Carbon Monoxide and Smoke Alarms, brought to you by Red Feather. In this program, Red Feather would like to tell you about carbon monoxide and smoke alarms. What is a carbon monoxide alarm?
Fire.
It's an alarm that will alert you if carbon monoxide levels are getting dangerous in your home. Carbon monoxide comes from burning wood, coal, gas, propane, and kerosene. Carbon monoxide has no smell, and it can cause serious illness in levels as low as 9 parts per million. It can also cause death in high levels such as 150 to 200 parts per million. There are 350,000 house fires per year in the United States. 2,620 people die annually, and 11,030 injuries requiring hospitalization occur annually due to house fires. Smoke alarms have prevented deaths in approximately 50% of house fires. Many house fire tragedies occurred because there were no smoke alarms or non-working smoke alarms. The biggest reason smoke alarms fail is because they're disconnected or have dead batteries. Please, don't become a statistic. Use your carbon monoxide and smoke alarms in your home. How to install carbon monoxide and smoke alarms. Install CO alarms near, but not right beside the source of carbon monoxide. For example, if you have a gas stove in your kitchen and a wood stove in your living room, place the alarm between the two. It should be installed 5 feet from the floor. Install smoke alarms a foot from the ceiling in each bedroom or sleeping area, in common areas, and even in the kitchen. Finally, test your alarms monthly and replace the batteries at least once a year. Thank you for watching this video. Please go to www.redfeather.org to see more free informational videos.